So this is downstairs on the inside of the gîte, and there's like barn doors going into where Monkey's workshop is going to be, but that's all that rubble is where the Armagnac tank used to be. What a state! Oh my god! I can't wait to see it finish. So I don't. It's hoping that it's going to be done by the summer, and the rate that Alan works at, I think it will be. This is the staircase that will be no more. But priority is doing the roof. So yeah, this is going to be, our kitchen is going to be there, and then it's going to be a lounge, and then we're going to have a big fireplace on that wall over there. And there'll be some French doors where the barn doors are. And then you'll come out to this. Hold off. Because I was standing underneath here where Alan is currently taking the tiles off the roof, and they could have just fallen down on my head. I'm such an idiot. But over here is where these doors are they open inwards at the moment, but we're going to open them outwards, and then we're going to have, they're going to be replaced by glass, and then one door, and we're going to have doors leading out into this area here. What a gorgeous day.